In a live announcement, Christopher Mutsvangwa stated that Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is not next in line after President Emmerson Mnangagwa. That's right, Chiwenga, the man many believe to be the heir apparent, might not be stepping into the top spot after all. Mutsvangwa's statement has sent shockwaves through Zimbabwe's political landscape. For years, Chiwenga has been seen as the strong man, the power behind the throne, but now it seems there's a different succession plan in place. Speculation is running wild. Some say it's a move to stabilize the party, while others believe it's aiming to keep potential rivals in check. The big question on everyone's mind now is, who is Mnangagwa grooming to take over, and why the sudden change in the power dynamics? This revelation has sparked intense debate among political analysts and citizens alike. Is this the end of Chiwenga's political ambitions, or is there a deeper strategy at play here? Only time will tell. This news isn't just a political maneuver, it's a reflection of the shifting sands within Zimbabwe's ruling party. It could mean significant changes for the country's future. As we wait for more clarity, one thing is certain: Zimbabwe's political scene is anything but predictable. This latest development is a reminder of how quickly things can change and how important it is to stay informed. So, what do you think? Is Chiwenga really out of the running? Who do you think will be the next in line? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on this unfolding story.